Bakit ngayon lang? Dapat noon pa. Yan ang karaniwang reaksyon ng mga nakaunawa ng financial literacy. Ready ka na bang mag-retire? Ilang taon ka na bang employed? Ang retirement ay ang pinakamatagal na bakasyon sa buhay natin. Ito yung panahon na hindi na tayo nagtatrabaho, panahon na kung saan naglalabasan na ang mga health conditions. In fact, retirees spend 60% to 80% of their savings on healthcare. At isa na din ito sa dahilan kung bakit after retirement ay nagtatrabaho pa rin kasi walang sapat na ipon. Some will say, bata pa naman ako, bakit ko paplanuin ang retirement? Pwede bang i-enjoy muna kasi you only live once? Yes, you only live once. Pero, isipin mo din that you also grow old. Dapat balance para hindi ma-compromise ang kinabukasan natin. Bawat oras ay mahalaga. Remember that time is your greatest ally in investing for your future. You will have an excuse not to save or invest, but no matter what your excuse is, you will eventually retire and stop making active income. And one thing is for sure, you're going to get old next year. Take charge of your future. Be your own money manager. Be your own financial educator. Message mo lang ako, Besh. Willing akong i-guide ka.